Hello guys, my name is Rainiel. Today I'm gonna play another game of Pixel Gun 3D, and don't forget to watch um the before Pixel Gun before, like last time or yesterday or something. So let's play again, and I think I have to show you something. I played a little, see, but I'm still level 3, nothing changed. Nothing, my armory changed. And then I have a cat pet. And I kind of want to change my skin to, wait, what is this? Superboy. No. Just gonna, let's see. Oh, this guy. Policeman. And also I want to change my weapon. The weapon I've all been waiting for. I'm kind of finding it. It's just right off. No, not this. Snowstorm. See, look at that. So funny. I kind of want to buy the pet dragon, but I kind of want to buy this thing more. Boy. So let's play deathmatch, like what I promised. I was just playing this. Now, oh wait. Let's open the chest first. See, I have already 8. I forgot to open it, and I hope I got luck to have money. You gotta be kidding me. 1 gem and I waste 5 keys. You gotta be kidding me. So we need 2 more. Knife party, pool party, king of the hill, ant life. I kinda wanna do, I think, pool party. Let's party. I think like the snowstorm thingy, it makes you slow. It doesn't make you ice or stuck or something. Oh, somebody get another kill. Oh, there you go. Wait, I'm not ready, girl. Can I just have a kill on this? I'm gonna keep on lagging. What's this girl doing? What is she doing? Boom! Double kill, that's good. Pet dragon, that's bad. What if we're burning and we can go in the water? What if it makes sense? Or doesn't make sense? Why am I in... Okay, I changed my mind. This thing isn't even cool. A little bit. It's awesome. Uh-oh. See, I told you. I don't like it. No. But I get grenade killing that guy. What is the guy doing? Okay, it didn't work. Hey, I'm stuck. Lol. Stuck in the pool. Boy, what you doing, boy? Having something? You stuck? But I am stuck. Get back. What is that? Electric thing? This thing is so weak that I want to shout right now. Because I get the wrong choice, y'all. Wrong choice, buddy. Finally. What is wrong right now? Match finish, and I just minus 5 trophies, and that's good. I level up, and I okay. This thing is cancel thingy, so I'm just gonna do is the pet dragon more easy. Let's have a revenge on someone, like this girl, Lucy the girl. How are you been today? Hey, I was killing her. Not that stupid, man. Hello, it's time to get revenge on you. Oh, that's a grenade kill. Why do you keep on killing me with that pet dragon? That's lucky as Arnold. Arnold. Hey, it's you again. Why am I in the girls' toilet? Look, no. Wait, what? I'm just killing somebody in the pool. That's what. No harm. Hey, I was trying to kill someone. Lol. Thank you, cat, for saving my life. Okay, I'm kind of liking it a little bit, but still no. Little bit. Oh, where are you? But I kind of like Pet Dragon more. So wait, it's you, Joker. Have we met? I don't know. Oh, there's double girls. Oh my goodness. Ooh, okay. Wow, that guy has 23 kills. Not fair. Boom, grenade kill. Oh, you there. Sir, you've been picked to die. For Rainiel. You were swimming in a baby pool? Sir Zombie? Good thing I'm not zombie anymore. I'm policeman. So I can... Oh, I really hit that guy. Was it you? You wanna die with a grenade in the pool? And die. Ow. Good thing I'm still in second. Ooh. Look! I was just in front of you, boy. Chico Monkey. That's a strange name. Chico Monkey. You just pop up! I'll need a revenge on that zombie guy. But there we go. You just pop up before now it's time you to die. What's up, babe? What's up? You wanna die first? You wanna die first? Match finish. That's it. Beep. Now this time we're gonna play co-op survival. It's like you have to kill a mob. Whoever gets most points win. Just like that match. But it's not killing each other, but killing monsters. Now we have flag capture, but we're gonna play co-op survival or maybe team fight first. Yeah. This time we're not gonna play Toy Factory, Nuclear City. And there's a pit. What is it? It's a fox. Okay. Oh yeah. Rename it to Daniel. As my name, Rainiel. Daniel. Yup. Okay. Oh yeah. Do I have enough keys? Yep. I have enough keys. What can I get? What can I get? What can I get? Is that how many money? 10 money. How ugly. I'll need 5 again. Okay. 35, 25. Still my 4, 6. Friends, what friend is this? Request X X X X X X X X X. Check your luck, boy. Okay, I'm gonna play Heaven Garden. Heaven Garden. It's like when we die, we go up. That's when we go. Ooh, fake. Also, why am I so slow? Lol. 15 kill. That guy left. Wow, I was gonna kill him, but then sad, too late. It's too late to kill him. Come on. Let's see. I think he'll be so surprised. Bye. Is there a penguin walking? Oh, it's gone. Let's see. Oh, wait, do they spawn there? Somebody just killed me. Am I at the top? Lol. Got all 4. Oh wait, never mind. Now somebody's at the top. I'm just a second. I need to defeat him more. Oh, I need to show him how good I am. Somebody's killing me, right? Oh, I almost died. Or do I? Or did it? 2 keys, that's good. VIP, always extra. Now this will be the last one of the game, Cop Survival, and I hope you'll enjoy this video. Okay, let's see. Oh wait. Oh, egg delivery. Egg delivery. And it's an ancient egg. Cop survival. Scary pizzeria? I don't know. Deadly arena, of course. Fire demon. Stinger. Meal. Oh, so is this a monster? Wait, what? Oh, heavy. Oh, so this is how you play. But last time, it's like now it's different. Okay. Boy, I have 3 hearts left. I'm gonna die. Not this time with my snowstorm. Come on. Die already. Uh-oh. 2 hearts, I have to watch out. Team, help me, please. No, I just died. Good thing I'm still, third. Come on, I should stay third. Well, I love third to first to third. Matt, wait, what? 6 minus, I'm in 3rd place. Oh, I see, because we're little. Wow. That's what. So, this video will have to end, guys. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. So, bye-bye.